How does it sound to make affiliate commissions while you sleep? And then you wake up in the morning, check your phone, and see that you have notification after notification letting you know of all the money that you earned while you slept. So this is going to be my video review for the 12-minute affiliate. Now, as you guys can see on the screen, I do have access to this product. I have been a member with 12-minute affiliate for quite some time, and I've also produced several videos on my channel talking about this particular program. Now, in this video, I will let you know what the 12-minute affiliate program is, how you can get started, as well as my bonuses that I will give to you if you go ahead and get started with the 12-minute affiliate. Now, if you go ahead underneath this video in the description box below, the first link will actually take you to my bonus page where you can actually see all of my bonuses. And again, I will cover that in this video. Now, the 12-minute affiliate system is an affiliate marketing system that is built to help you build an email list. Now, if you do any type of research online and try to find out about people or the top marketers in the online marketing space, you're going to see people like Matt Basak, you're going to see people like Onyx Singal, and a lot of them will tell you that their success has been attributed to them building up an email list. And this is what Devin is going to share with you in the 12-minute affiliate system. He's going to break it down into simple terms on how you can build up a list. Now, he's going to give you a lot of the tools that you need, like the capture pages and everything else that you will need in order to build your list. Also, you don't have to worry about doing any massive research trying to find products to promote. He's already done all of that for you. And included with this, he's also going to give you access to an 80-day email sequence so that when you get an email autoresponder, and if you don't know what an email autoresponder is, that's simply where we're going to house all of the emails that we're going to collect for this system. And what he's going to do is he's going to provide you with an 80-day sequence that for the next 80 days, whoever opts into your 12-minute affiliate system, they will consistently get emails every few days from the system reminding them about what 12-minute affiliate is, how they can get started, and it will do all the promoting for you on the back end. Now, the reason why you need to go ahead and build up an email list, this is something that is mentioned in .com Secrets from Russell Brunson. Now, if you read this book, he talks about traffic, and the best type of traffic that you can have for your business is traffic that you can own. And that's what you're going to be able to do with the email list. Now, you may see tons of videos of people talking about how they're leveraging YouTube ads, Facebook ads in order to build their business. Now, as I'm recording this, the day before, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram all have went down. And think about if you were solely dependent on paid advertising to grow your business would have took a hit on yesterday. Now, if you have an email list, regardless if YouTube shuts down, Instagram shuts down, or whatever else, you can still send out an email to your entire list. You can promote something and still make money. And again, when you have an email list, that's a free promotion. You don't have to spend any money to run an email to your list or anything like that. You can just wake up, send out an email, and you can go to sleep, wake up, and you have affiliate commissions in your inbox. Now, before I dive in and show you kind of what you're going to expect in the back office, let me share with you my bonuses that you'll receive if you go ahead and get started with the 12-minute affiliate system today. Now we're looking at my bonus page. And if you scroll down, you can see all my bonuses. But if you click on any of these blue buttons, it'll take you to the sales page here. And this is where you can go ahead and sign up and get started with the 12-minute affiliate system. So the first bonus that I want to give you is a replay training with me and Devin Brown. Now, Devin Brown is the creator of the 12-minute affiliate system. And because of the success and the value that I have provided inside of the Facebook group that you'll get access to once you become a member, he had me on a training with another 12-minute affiliate member, and we talk about the things that is actually working for us to get success with the 12-minute affiliate system, and you'll get access to that replay. Now, the next bonus that you'll receive from me is my traffic vendor list. Now, these are additional traffic vendors that I use for my business, and you can use these as well to send more traffic to your 12-minute affiliate system, so that way you are generating more leads, and then more people are getting exposed to the 12-minute affiliate system. So if they want to purchase later on, they can actually go through your link and purchase from you. And then also with that 80-day email sequence that you're going to get from Devin, it's also going to promote other additional products in that 80-day sequence, and they'll get exposed to that as well. And that's how you can potentially earn more commissions when more people get exposed to your email sequence. Now, the next bonus you're going to receive is my $458 and 24-hour case study. This is by me using the 12-minute affiliate system and I earned a $458 commission. In this bonus, I'm going to give you a video about that case study. I'm going to let you know what offer I use and also the email swipes that I use. So you can actually take these swipes, tweak them yourself, and you can send that to your leads inside of the 12-minute affiliate system. The next bonus you'll receive from me is organic Facebook training. So that way you can generate leads for free using Facebook. And the next bonus that I will give to you is YouTube traffic training. So I'm going to let you know how you can leverage YouTube, again, to leverage some free traffic to send to your 12-minute affiliate system. Now, once you have gotten started with the 12-minute affiliate system, the first thing that you need to do is go through this quick start checklist. And you want to make sure you go through all of these steps in order to set up your 12-minute affiliate system. Now, once you have gone through this, the next thing you want to do is you want to join the private Facebook group. And inside of this group, you want to let Devin and his team know that you have gotten started. And then also, this is where you're going to be able to claim your free trip. So all new members with the 12-minute affiliate system, they have an opportunity to get a free vacation that's on Devin. And again, to get access to that, you want to make sure that you join the Facebook group, let them know that you have gotten started. Also inside of the 12-minute affiliate system, you're going to get access to additional information here. If you want to go ahead and get private coaching from Devin, you have the opportunity to do that here. If you ever want to upgrade your account, you can do that here as well. You're also going to get access to the done for you traffic, other traffic methods. Also, you're going to get access to the education center. So what Devin does, he also goes live inside of the Facebook group and does trainings there. And then you can also get access to all his previous trainings by going here to the education center. And you can learn a lot from Devin when it comes to email marketing. Now, Devin definitely knows what he's talking about. And as you guys can see here on the screen, he just posted this a few days ago. He was down at Funnel Hacking Live for ClickFunnels, where he was just awarded the 2 Comma Club Award. So he has made over $1 million with a particular funnel. And again, he is leveraging email marketing to help him to gain this success. So you're going to be learning from somebody who has proven results. So in this video, I share with you what the 12-minute affiliate system is. Now, I have been a part of this system for some years now, and it's by far one of the simplest ways to get started with affiliate marketing. All you have to do is go through the initial steps, go ahead and get everything set up. You'll get your affiliate link, and that's when you want to go ahead and start promoting the system. Now, if you go ahead and get started with the 12-minute affiliate system, you'll get access to all my bonuses. And if you go ahead and click on the link in the description box below this video, it'll take you to my bonus page, and you can click on any of those blue buttons and it'll take you to the sales page for 12-minute affiliate where you can go ahead and get started. Now, once you have gotten started, make sure you email me with your proof of purchase to get access to all those bonuses, and I have included my email address on the bonus page. Now, if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.